Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can create a shortcut to BIOS. Simply right click over desktop, go to new and click shortcut. Now go to the video description and copy this line and simply paste it here. Click on next. Rename the file as per your preference. Click on finish. Now go to the properties of this shortcut. Now under shortcut, go to the advanced tab and select run it as administrator. Click on OK. Make the changes. That's it. Now whenever you click on this shortcut, your PC will reboot to BIOS mode. So when you are in your BIOS, make the changes required and click on continue to reboot to normal mode again. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.